And with the coronavirus case numbers going through the roof, especially in rural areas, KCCI's Bo Bowman sat down with two public health officials to find out how the state of Iowa got to this point. Bo?
Stacy, they say it's because people in rural Iowa don't take the virus seriously, and until they do, hospitalization numbers will just continue to climb.
Our citizens in the state have become very lax.
Brian Melhouse is a Boone County doctor who has been overwhelmed with coronavirus patients in recent weeks as case numbers have surged to more than 5,000 new positive tests on Friday. Rural counties have had the highest positivity rates right now. Iowa's top two have rates of over 40% with an average population of about 17,000. Health officials like Melhouse say the numbers wouldn't be anywhere near as high if Iowa had a mask mandate. Governor Reynolds hasn't issued one yet and has repeatedly said she trusts Iowans to do the right thing. So the question is, are Iowans, specifically rural Iowans, living up to the governor's expectation?
Unfortunately, I would say no. I think probably 50 or 60% of the people have done the right thing, and that number is gradually climbing. However, until we get that number up to 90 to 95%, we're going to continue to have the problem.
The virus knows no boundaries, and I think people forgot that.
Shelley Bickle is an administrator with Wayne County Public Health, where the state reports the third highest positivity rating in Iowa at 37.2%. Their Board of Health has sent a directive to the county supervisors to issue a mandatory mask mandate, which they think will be passed.
I think the Board of Health feels it's their responsibility to do the best they can so people can't come back and say, why didn't you tell us?
Bickle says it will be enforced by the sheriff and sees it as the only way to get the virus under control.
I really don't think people are taking it seriously and care enough about other people.
Now, Bickle says she's not sure what the penalty would be for violating that mask mandate, but says law enforcement will be enforcing it and that they will be handing out masks and always be working for voluntary compliance.